Let's tour the lesson library. Find the library from your dashboard or in the left menu. From here, explore over 500 lessons across all grades and subjects. Lessons with the Ozobot logo were created by our EDU team. Lessons without it are from educators like you. Lessons with a play button have student-facing instructional videos. We recommend getting started here with an Ozobot pacing guide. Open the pacing guide for your desired grade level. You'll find up to 30 clickable lessons to give students a strong CS foundation, followed by content integrations for math, ELA, and STEAM. To browse lessons on your own, use the library's search bar and filters. Filter for subject from computer science to math to SEL, for grade level from PK to 12, for video lessons, and more. From search results, you can quickly save a lesson or open the full lesson plan. Select the lesson's image or title to view details, including an overview, standards, and, if the lesson has one, a student-facing video. You can open the full lesson plan, download it, or just download student activity sheets. You can also save the lesson from here. Lessons with videos have a Share with Students option. To share, you'll get a unique link. For remote and hybrid learning, send this link to students via your LMS or preferred method. Open the lesson here to see it exactly as students see it. For in-person learning, screencast this view. Find all your saved lessons under Lessons in the left menu. From your dashboard, you can also create your own Ozobot lessons. Follow a helpful template or submit a lesson as is. Submit one templated lesson to earn an Ozobot t-shirt and 3 of them to be considered for the Ozobot Certified Educator program. One more tip. If you and your students are doing a lesson in person, make sure to unplug your Ozobot Classroom communicator. With our latest release, you only need your communicator when updating your bots in the Devices section. Enjoy Ozobot lessons and find more videos and resources in Help.